Let's look at a problem that lawyers have to face very often. Litigate or settle. One of your company vehicles is involved in an accident. The on-site police report indicates that your driver is at fault. There's a question that the other party might have been texting. However, proving this and its significance to the accident might be difficult. You being the defendant, your lawyers visualize several scenarios. They see that there's only a 35% chance of your winning. That is, the victim has a very good chance of winning. And another issue is that if the victim wins, there is a 50% probability that the judge might award $85,000. This is based on past history. Let's assume that there is a 25% probability that the award is $105,000 and a 25% probability that it is $65,000. 20,000 higher, 20,000 lower. And even if the victim loses, there is a 50% probability that the judge might award $20,000 in court cost to the victim. Let's also assume that your own court cost is also $20,000. When they approached the victim wanted $80,000 to settle. So the decision for the company is, should you settle or should you litigate? Here is the decision tree that we have built for this case. The decision is whether to litigate or settle. And if you litigate, there's a chance the victim would win and a lower chance. So let's look at the zone map here. This is the demarcation line. To the right, the advice is to settle. To the left is to litigate. And under this scenario, we must litigate. However, it's a very close call, because if the chances that the victim wins is slightly higher, we should settle. So it's a very marginal call here. And the same is true if you feel the judge might award the court cost, and if that probability goes higher, we should settle. The issue is that the decision is far more sensitive to the victim's likely victory, the probability of him winning, rather than the award itself. You can see this line is very sharp, the demarcation is very close here. So this is the kind of map that will help companies decide which way they should move.